Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, The Rich Post. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to start ReactJS tutorial for beginners and advanced level as well. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please pause the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest ReactJS updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, in this working video, we will learn React from scratch. So guys, very first we need Node.js latest version installed on our PC. Like go to nodejs.org and from here you can download your latest Node version. And after it, open your VS Code and like I created folder in my D drive, React World, and inside it I ran command like npm create react app and your project name like mine is react world. And after it, after run that command, go to your react world folder and then run command npm start and you will see react.js, your first project, will be working on localhost 3000. So guys, this is the very first step. And guys, if you have knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then you can learn React.js very easily. And also, I will make you learn as well. So this is the first tutorial, learning React from scratch. And after it, I will come with more series. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion, or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside this video description. And friends, please share your views on it. And if you want this tutorial or series will be long, then please comment on this video. I will come with all the things related to React JavaScript and I will make it easy to learn. So guys, please subscribe my channel and support me because I will come with more and more good content for you. So guys, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.